Howdy there, folks. Today we're going to take a look at this Tract Optics Made in Japan high quality optic. I love Tract Optics. Really, really good stuff. In my opinion, some of the best purpose-driven and designed optics in the world. This is the Toric 34mm main tube 4.5 to 30 variable power by 56mm objective MOA ELR or extreme long range optic. Okay, so this is specifically designed for shooting extreme long range. Comes with a sunshade, booklets, sticker, some other accessories. Okay, let's put this off to the side here. This optic is made of, I believe, 6061 or 7075 T6 aluminum. It's made in Japan. It's got a hard anodized finish, beautiful, like kind of like a gunmetal gray color to it. Really nice open tactical turrets that are locking. Feel great for both windage and elevation. Hash marks for revolution indicators and on the scope body. On-off illumination. Takes a CR2032 battery, I believe. Up to 11 power. Very nice. It's got your parallax adjustment right here. Very smooth and fluid. Quick rubberized adjustable diopter. Super smooth. And magnification ring. I mean, everything about this screams premium. You have a really nice adjustable diopter here that's super smooth and fluid feeling. Really nice eye box and great eye relief. And then you have really nice knurled with like a little bit of a shark fin magnification ring. Once again, no grit or grime there. Really good. 34mm main tube. It's purged for waterproofness and fog proofness. Okay. And one thing I love about Tract Optics and sets them apart is the really good, adequate eye relief, as well as good eye box. And basically, as you magnify in and out, you don't really have to shift your head. Most scopes, as you magnify in or out, you really have to change your head position to stay with the right amount of eye relief, essentially, and keep your sight picture. Tract Optics, you can pretty much go through your entire range of magnification without moving your head at all, which is super impressive. This is a first focal plane optic, meaning as you increase the magnification, your sight picture and your reticle are on the same focal plane, so your reticle enlarges in size. Really, really nice illumination on this as well. Turrets are actually not super audible. They're kind of a little bit quieter, but they are tactile. And the hash marks on the scope turret match with the hash marks on the scope body. Really nice, really, really nice. One click equals quarter MOA on this scope. And for both windage and elevation, has a right and left designation area arrow on the windage turret and a up indicating arrow on your elevation turret, which makes it really easy to remember and make sure you're going in the right direction as you adjust. Was sent to me for review.